Welcome. If you've ever wondered how to find your stories activity on Facebook using your PC, you're in the right place. With Facebook's latest update, the steps are a little different, but don't worry. I'll walk you through everything you need to know so you can easily view all your past stories and manage your activity. Let's get started. First, open your favorite web browser and head over to facebook.com. Log in with your account details if you aren't already signed in. Once you're on your Facebook homepage, look up to the top right corner. You'll see your profile photo. Click on it. This will open a drop-down menu with several options. From this menu, find and click on Settings and Privacy. This section is where you can control most of your Facebook account's features and privacy settings. After clicking, you'll see more options appear. Go ahead and select Activity Log. The Activity Log is like your personal Facebook diary, tracking everything you've done on the platform. Now, you're inside your Activity Log. On the left side of the screen, you'll notice a list of categories that help you filter your activity. Scroll down until you find Stories Activity. Click on it, and just like that, you'll be able to see all the stories you've posted on Facebook. Here, you can review your previous stories, see who viewed them, and even manage or delete old stories if you want to tidy up your profile. This new update makes it much easier to keep track of your stories and control what you've shared. Whether you're looking to reminisce over old memories or just want to keep your Facebook organized, these steps have you covered. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more easy tech tips. Thanks for watching, and happy Facebooking.